Hello everybody, because there's a lot of students asking me about how to build a proper unit of circle. So in order to build a unit of circle, we have a few things to remember. A circle has 360 degree or 2 pi. 2 pi is 360 degree and pi is 180 degree. Pi over 2 is 90 degree, pi over 4 is 45 degree. And this is a special one. Pi over 6 is 30 degree. Okay? And one more thing, 6 is equal 3 times 2 times 1. The reason I'm telling you this because it's important for our simplification. So let's start building a unit of circle. Okay, so we're going to start from 0. We know that in the circles there's a 360 degree. Okay, and the circle we count like this. We go from here all the way here. Okay, that's we call we measure the angle. Okay, so if we divide the circle by 12, then we get each angle is 30 degree or pi over 6. Okay, pi over 6. So we're gonna start building it by adding pi over 6 to each angle. So we're gonna start from pi over 6 to 2 pi over 6, 3 pi over 6, 4 pi over 6, 5 pi over 6. This one is 6 pi over 6, 7 pi over 6, 8 pi over 6. Easy, right? Just count it up. 9 pi over 6, and 10 pi over 6, 11 pi over 6, and this is what? But let me put the 0 up there. It's 12 pi over 6, which is 2 pi. Right? So we notice that in our fraction we can simplify it, right? This fraction can be simplified. So what? See, this 2, 6, but they have in common, right? So what we do is simplify by 2, so we get pi over 3. Same thing as here, 3 and 6, right? 3 is the same thing, so we get pi over 2. Remember, pi over 2 is 90 degree. Is it correct? Correct, right? So this one is 2 pi over 3. We're going to simplify it. Simplify. Okay, this one is easy one. 6 over 6. So we simplify. What we get pi, right? Is it correct? 180 degree from here, from 0 to here is 100 degree pi. Correct. This one is 8 pi over 6 is 4 pi over 6 over 3. Sorry. So this one is 3 pi over 2 divided by 3 divided by 2. Okay, this one is 5 pi over 3. It's 2 pi. Okay, that's done. So we get this angle. Okay, there's 4 more angle that we need to know. It's make up by 90 degree divided by 2 is 45 degree, and what we get, remember, it's pi over 4. Okay, how we do it? From here to here, it's 90 degree. 45 is 90 degree. Okay, so the 90 degree so we just add 2 pi, so it's a pi over 4 plus another 90 degree, pi over 2. What we get right here is 3 pi over 4. Okay, 3 pi over 4. So we know that just add 2 pi over 4 to each of them, we get it. So right here, what? 2 pi on top of 3 pi over 4, what we get? 5 pi over 4. So right here, boop, we add 2 pi over 4, which gets 5 pi over 4, gets 7 pi over 4, right? So we get odd angle in a special angle in here, right? Just want to add a little bit more. There's a cos and sin on the axis. Okay, that's the axis is cos and sin. So in order to remember sin is vertical, we use as sin start with s will stand, right? How to stand? Stand up. So we know that sin is vertical, it's up. Cos is horizontal, right? Okay, there's a few more things to remember about the angle. If you go this way, it's a plus. If you go backward right here, it's a negative. Okay, so it's pi over 6 going up. Also, if you're going down, it's called a negative pi over 6. Okay, so it's about angle and build up the unit circle. And in the next video, I'm gonna explain about how to define cos and sin of each angle. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.